everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this shredder that was sent to me from Fellows. This is the LX65 crosscut shredder. The shredder has a 22 litre bin, so you can shred large amounts without needing to empty it as frequently. It can shred up to 10 sheets of paper at a time. It can also shred staples, paper clips and credit cards. The paper shreds into smaller unreadable pieces, so you can safely dispose of your bank statements and other confidential documents. There is also a safety feature where it stops shredding if your hand touches the paper entry. Overall, I'm impressed with the LX65 shredder. It's efficient, safe and easy to use. It shreds with ease, unlike my previous shredder which kept getting paper jams. So if you're looking for a high quality shredder, then this is a great option. Now instead of throwing the shredded paper away, I thought it'd be good to reuse it for a craft project. So today I'm going to show you how to make a lucky dip. Use a cardboard box for the lucky dip. Next, cut a hole in the box lid. Then cover the box with scrapbook paper or craft foam. After that, decorate the box with stickers. Then use the previously shredded paper to fill the box. And lastly, add the prizes. You can use Kinder Surprise toys or party bag fillers. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and craft, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!